Question 2 of August 2022. A small-scale trader deposited 2,000 in a bank account in the first month. The trader continued to increase the deposit by 800 every other month until he deposited 94,000 as the last amount required. The number of months until he deposited the last deposit was made, and the total amount in the bank account when the trader made the last deposit. Now this question is asking things to do with a progression, arithmetic progression, whereby we must have to dictate the first item, that is A, and the common difference as D. Now the money that we deposit first for 200 is going to be our A, and then the deposit, the trader continued to increase the deposit by every 800 every month. That was the difference. Now arithmetic progression is given as A plus into bracket N minus 1 multiplied by D. Now arithmetic progression here, we have 94,000 is equal to 2,000, which is our A, plus 800 minus 1, that is N. N we don't have. Now it is N minus 1 multiplied by 800. That is D. In this case we have 94,000 minus, or this can come this side, it will be 2,000 is equal to N minus 1, 800. This we get 92,000 is equal to N minus 1 everything 800. Divide this side by the 800. Divide this side by 800. And then we have 92. That is 92. $92,000 we divide by 800. You are getting 115 is equal to N minus 1. When 1 comes this side, comes positive, you have 116 is equal to N. Now the number of years, the number of months that this guy was depositing, it was 116 months. Then but part P, Roman 2, the total amount in the bank, the total amount in the bank when the trader made the last deposit. Now the sum is usually given as N over 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 D. Everything into the pickup bracket. Now in this case, it was 116. We have gotten the N as 116. 116 over 2 into 2 multiplied by 2,000 plus into, now it will be 116 minus 1 multiplied by 800. In this case, this divided by there, we get that is 58 into, that is 4,000 plus 115 multiplied by 800. Let me see. 115 multiplied by 800. That is 92 plus 4,000. We have 96. That is 58 multiplied by 96,000. The answer we multiply by 58. That was 5 million 568,000. 5,568,000. Then the total amount the total amount deposited in 30th month. Now the same, we are using the same formula equal the sum. It is n, which is going to be 30 over 2 into 2 multiplied by 2,000 plus into, that is 30 now, minus 1, 800, which is 15 into, that is 4,000 plus 29, that will be 29. If you take 30 minus 1, 29 multiplied by 800, you get 23, 200. Now 15 multiplied by 27, 200. This one we are adding 4,000. Okay, 27 we multiply by 15. The money he had in account at the 30th month, it was 408,000. 408,000. 408,000. Then B, Mr. Kimani, member salesman, earns a basic salary and commission on the sales made. In January 2022, he made a sales amounting to 200 and received a total earning of 21,000. This 21,000 is inclusive of both the basic salary and the commissions. In Feb 2022, he made the sales worth 3,300,000 and received a total amounting to 24,000. Now we are asked Mr. Kimani basic salary and the rate of commission, and then the total earnings. Let's determine the basic salary and the commission, the rate of commission. Now let's assume, or let's take the basic salary to be as X. Now in this case, Mr. whatever Kimani had a basic salary, we are going to have X plus a particular commission, which is, let me say, Y over 100. We are multiplying the 200,000. We want to determine the commission he got, then the salary, it was 21,000. The same to this one, we are going to say that X plus a particular rate of 100, we multiply by 300,000, should give us 24,000. Now Y is being represented by the commission. Now in this case, we are going to have X plus 0.01Y multiplied by 200,000, or rather, let me just do it this way without going that long distance. We can say that to 100 this can go. Now this multiplied by this one have 2,000. Y is equal to 21,000. Yes, X plus this one and this one can go. Have 3,000 Y is equal to 24,000. Therefore, now we can subtract elimination. Let me eliminate X. This one can go. This minus this one having negative 1,000. Y is equal to this minus this one have negative 3,000. Therefore, Y is equal to 3%. Then we can use that to substitute in this equation. By we had X plus 2,000. Y is equal to 21. If Y we are getting 3, therefore we can say that X plus 2,000 multiplied by 3, and put the percentage there, is equal to 21. Therefore X alone, this multiplied by 6, from that we'll have 15,000. Therefore the basic salary was 15 and the rate of commission, red, of commission, it was 3%. Then back at Roman, just a minute. The total earnings would make on a monthly sales of 900. Now in this case, we have gotten the basic salary this guy was getting, that is 15,000 plus 3 over 100 multiplied by, now we want to see the commission he would like to get, 15,000 plus this one and this one, this multiplied that you have 27,000. 27 plus that one, that is 2, we carry 1, that is 4. Is it 42? But let me just verify by the help of my calculator. 27 plus 15, that is 42,000. You'll get 42,000 as the basic or total earnings. Then the monthly sales made when his total earnings were 36. Now total earnings were 36,000 minus basic 15, which is what? That is 21. Now this is the commission. And remember, how do we get the commission? Commission, we are taking 3%, 100, we multiply by the sales, which is X, should give us 21. In that case, we have that's 3 or 0.03x is equal to 21,000. Divide by 0.03, divide by 0.03. X alone is equal to 700,000. 700,000 as the sales. And then part C, we are told that a manufacturer acquired machine. A manufacturing machines at a total cost of 1,600,000. The estimated useful life of the machines is 5 years with the scrap value of 400,000. Required the annual rate of depreciation using the reducing balance method. Now, we are going to adopt this particular formula to calculate the rate of depreciation, which we have not been given. Now, the rate of depreciation, we are going to adopt this formula as 1 minus S over C multiply, here we have this one, 1 over N multiplied by 100. Now S, where S is what we call the scrap value, and then C is the cost of machine. Then N obviously is the time or the number of years. Now in this case we have 1 minus into, that is 5. S is what? The scrap value was 400,000 over C, the capital, the cost, everything over 1 over 5. We multiply by 100. Can you do this and see? In this case, we are having 1. It is 400. We are dividing by 1,600,000. You have 0.25, but raised to power 0.2. We multiply by 100. Let's see this one. Answer raised to power 0.2. In that case, we have 1 minus 0.7579 everything by 100. Is 1 minus 0.7579. That is a 0.2421 multiplied by 100. You get the rate will be 24.21%. That's the rate of depreciation, annual rate of depreciation. Now we are told that calculate the difference between the net book value of the manufacturing machines after 4 years using reducing balance depreciation method and using the straight line. Now let's calculate using the reducing balance. We have the cost, which is now is going to be first year. It is going to be 24.21 over 100. We are multiplying by 16. The answer multiplied by 1600. The depreciation for the first year will be 387, 360. The cost of second year is going to be 1600 minus 387, 360. This one we are multiplying by 0.2421 minus 16. And so we multiply by 0.2421. Depreciation for the second year was 293,580. In the third year, we picked that was 121,640 minus 293,580 plus 12,640. That was 9,19059.86. We multiply by 24.21 over 100. That is 22, 21, 22, 780. I have 9190598 minus 22, 780. $696, $278. This first year, second year, that year we call depreciation here. Now the question is asking the difference between the book value after 4 years. After 4 years, we can determine the fourth year depreciation. $696, $278 multiplied by 0.2424. 777.78 minus 278. The cost of this vehicle machine was 527,500. Then the depreciation for, they say that a straight line method. So let me create more space. Now straight line method, you're just going to take that as a cost minus scrap, everything divided by the useful life. Therefore we are having 16 minus 400, everything over 5. That is to be 12 divided by 5, we get 240 to 4,000. But now in the case we have to get the depreciation for 4 years. Now it is 240 multiplied by 4. 40,000 multiplied by 4, get 916, then 1600 minus 960. That is the net book value will be 640. The difference between, therefore we find the difference. That is 640 b minus 527 500. 527 500. The difference is 112 500. And then lastly, the value of manufacturing machines after 3 years using the reducing balance method. The value of manufacturing machine after 3 years using, in that case it becomes easy. This is the first year. The value was the value of this particular machine after 3 years. The value of machine was $696,278,000. That is the value of machines using reducing balance method after 3 years. Because we had already computed, there is no need of recalculating it. You do that, you earn yourself 20 marks for the question number 2. As simple as that.